Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here back again with another tutorial video on how to remove your Kinemaster watermark for free on your devices. So guys, I hope you'll watch the video till then. Let's get started. So guys, open Kinemaster and select the video you want to edit. As you guys can see, I'm gonna edit my intro video, and now I'm gonna show you that I don't have the premium version. As you can see, I don't have the premium version, so I'll have to deal with the Kinemaster watermark, but I don't like it, so I'll show you guys how to remove it for free without paying for the premium. Now click on the video you want to edit and you can see these options on your screen. Now just click on pan and zoom and click on the equal to similar sign, and now you'll be able to drag your video, position it in a way that it comes below the Kinemaster watermark. Once done, you just have to export the video and save it to your gallery. Now you'll be needing another app called Splice. You can download it from your app store and open the app and select the video you just exported from Kinemaster and follow the steps in the video. Now choose the video on the Splice app and you will be able to see the crop option. Click on it and crop the video in such a way that the Kinemaster watermark gets cropped. Once you have cropped the video, you just need to click on that icon to save the video to your gallery. Now as the video is saved, I'm gonna play it in my gallery, and as you guys can see, the Kinemaster watermark is not there anymore. So guys, if this video was helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more such videos.